good morning. I'm your host Mandvi, and today I'm going to finally reveal my room to my kitty cats. This is a room where I film my videos, where I edit my videos, and this is where all the magic happens. This is my studio. So I will show you how it looked before, and then I will show you how it looks after. So let's go. Okay kitty cats, so let me take you to my studio, and this is the before. I'm gonna get it painted. I'm gonna get it painted of this lighter pink shade. So it's gonna be changed. I'm also changing my background. This is where I sit. So I will change this. So it's time to empty the room for paint. Now that paint is done, I'm gonna put everything back into its place. And now the main work will begin. It's the decorating this room, and I will reveal the after in my Diwali series itself. So see you. And now I will show you how it looks after. Hi kitty cats, welcome to my room. This is the kitty cats headquarters, so come on in. And this is my room where I create the videos for you. First thing you see when you enter this room is this corner. This is the corner which you see in most of my YouTube videos. Okay, so this is the chandelier which I got from Amazon, and I just love this chandelier. I wanted my room to look modern but also vintage, and I added this chandelier in this corner because this corner can be seen from all of the rooms in my house. So don't be scared to play around with the rules while decorating your room like I did. I placed the chandelier right here in the corner instead of the center. This corner can be seen from all of the rooms in my house, especially my bedroom, so I really love the view. And you can also see this in my videos, and I love this here. And I also made this DIY lamp. I got this paper lantern from Amazon and some lights from Amazon. And voila, you have a paper lantern lamp. And since it's fall season, Diwali season, festive season, I wanted to decorate my room with some fall colors. Like pampas grass is pretty trendy these days, and I wanted to decorate my room with pampas grass. I went to my village last month and I got it from there. So it's better to visit your fields or parks. You will find the pampas grass there. Okay, now let's move on to this area. This is where I just, chill when I get tired of recording the YouTube videos. And surprisingly, I got this couch from Amazon. It's pretty sturdy, pretty comfortable. I love the design. I love this couch. When there was nothing in this room, I got this couch first, and then all of these things came later. Subconsciously, I feel that I designed my room around this couch. It's very vintage. That's why my room is vintage and also modern. So now let's move on to this area. But before that, I just wanted to show you these frames. I got these from Shein, and then I framed these from a local shop. I wanted to decorate this wall a little bit more, but I feel that it looks minimalistic and I like that. And these are some fur cushions that I like. I just love some comfort. These are so soft. And this is the fur carpet which I rolled out just to show you because it's white and it will get dirty. But it's so soft, and this was also from Shein. I just love the feel of it. Like I just want to lie down here and rest. And this is also the corner where I edit my videos, and I watch some K-dramas. I love watching K-dramas, and I rest when I record my YouTube videos. In this room, most of the time I'm working, I'm recording, I'm filming, and I'm editing my videos. So yeah, this is like a comfort corner for myself. Now let's move on to my workstation. Okay kitty cats, so this is my workplace. This is where I edit my videos and I write all of my creative ideas. This place is not done yet, but decorating a room takes time. It has taken me 3 years to decorate this room. So I'm using this stool, and I need a chair for my workstation, but this is my current workstation. I love burning candles while writing ideas for my videos. And right next to it I have my vision board which needs to be updated for 2020. I have made this corner so cozy and I love working here. Now let's move on to my vanity area. Okay kitty cats, so this is the newest addition to my studio room. This is my vanity. I got it made from my local carpenter this month only. I wanted a place for the longest time to store my makeup, my skincare, my stuff. I'm a workaholic, so I really need a place to organize my stuff. Now my makeup and skincare finally have a home. So let me show you some stuff that I have in my vanity. So right here I have this glass tray. I got this Amazon. I did an Amazon haul. I will link it in my description box. And I have some of my pretty little things on this tray, like this perfume. This is from Carolina Herrera. I will do a detailed vanity tour, and some of my candles, pampas grass, and this beautiful mirror. I'm a Leo, so I wanted something which looks like sun. And this mirror came first, and then this vanity came. And this mirror, kitty cats, is huge. Like, it's big for this room. This is one of my best purchases from Amazon. I was surfing Pinterest for vanity inspiration, and this design was all over the Pinterest. If you're decorating your room, kitty cats, then install Pinterest on your phone, because some of the most creative people live on Pinterest. So I would highly recommend Pinterest for inspiration. And I will also give you a vanity tour, but that would be a separate video. I will link it in my description box. Okay, now let's move on to my clothes rack. This area. Okay kitty cats, so on this side I have my clothing rack. I again got it from Amazon, assembled it, and it's a bamboo clothing rack. And in my studio I have to change the outfit. Sometimes I shoot multiple videos in a day, so I keep all of the outfits of the day right here, and it's very convenient for me to change my clothes. I'm going to film a Zara haul for you and H&M haul, so that's why all of the clothes are outside. And above it I have this inspiration board for the YouTube channel. I actually manipulated some numbers, the numbers I want to see. It's like a law of attraction for me. And some of the brands that I want to work with in the future, and BTS because they are so successful, and my kitty cats. You kitty cats are a lucky charm for me. Okay, so that's all for this corner. It's pretty cozy, pretty colorful, my vibe. So let's move on to the next corner. Lastly, I have this full length mirror for myself to get ready here, and this poof. This is where I sit and get ready for my YouTube videos and do my makeup in the morning, like around 3 or 5 a.m. So yes kitty cats, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my room tour. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and happy Diwali to all of my kitty cats. May there be love and light in your life. Bye bye, take care.